In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to WordPress. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, if you're not familiar with Printify, it's an on-demand printing and fulfillment service that allows you to create custom products and sell them online. Integrating Printify with your WordPress site can streamline your e-commerce experience, making it super easy to manage your products. To get started, make sure you have a WordPress site set up. If you don't have one yet, I recommend checking out some hosting services that support WordPress installation. Once you have WordPress up and running, we can move on to the integration with Printify. The first step is to log into your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll need to install the Printify plugin, which simplifies the connection process. To do this, head over to the plugin section on the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Printify. You should see the Printify plugin appear in the results. Click on the Install Now button next to it. Once it's installed, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click that as well. After activating the plugin, you'll notice a new tab for Printify on your dashboard. Click on that tab, and it will prompt you to connect your Printify account. If you don't have a Printify account yet, you will need to create one. You can quickly do that by going to the Printify website and signing up. Now, if you're signing up for Printify for the first time, just fill in the necessary details: your email, a password, and your store's name. Once you've registered, you will receive a confirmation email. Click on the link in that email to verify your account before you move on. Returning to your WordPress dashboard, click the Connect button in the Printify plugin settings. This will redirect you to the Printify login page. Enter the credentials you used to sign up, and once you're logged in, you'll be asked to authorize the connection to your WordPress site. Confirm this, and you should be redirected back to your WordPress dashboard. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Printify to your WordPress site. Now, it's time to start adding products. Navigate back to the Printify tab in your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll find an option that says Create New Product. Click on that, and you can start designing your custom items. The Printify product designer is fairly intuitive. You can browse through various categories like apparel, home decor, or accessories. Once you find the product you want, click on it to start customizing. You'll have the option to upload your designs, adjust placements, and even choose different color options. As you're creating your products, don't forget to fill in all the necessary product details such as title, description, and pricing. Klarna and Stripe are popular payment gateways that you can consider integrating into your WordPress site for smooth transactions. Once you're happy with your design, hit the Publish button in Printify. This will sync the new product directly to your WordPress shop. You can find your products listed under the Products section of your WooCommerce settings. Speaking of WooCommerce, ensure that you have it installed and activated. Since Printify works seamlessly with WooCommerce, having it set up correctly on your WordPress site is crucial for managing sales and inventory effectively. Now, take a moment to preview your new products on your WordPress site. You can navigate to your online store to see how everything looks. If everything aligns with your vision, great. If you need to make adjustments, simply return to the Printify dashboard to edit your product details. To wrap things up, remember to test your checkout process to ensure that everything is working smoothly. Place a test order, check out the payment process, and confirm that you receive an email notification about it. Once that's done, you are now fully set up. Thank you for tuning in as you learn how to connect Printify to WordPress. If you've enjoyed this content, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more helpful tutorials.